The fanless PC's ruggedized construction, sealed housing enclosures, ensure the perfect performance in various of industrial and automation projects. Fanless PCs are ideal industrial computing solutions for industrial automation, process monitoring, and control process, industrial IoT applications in harsh and dry environment, especially if dust and debris are common. So, why should you need fanless PCs? The first one is high reliability. Fans are one of the most common components that fail on a computer. By removing these moving parts, computer can gain a longer lifespan or need minimal maintenance. The second one is lower energy and power. Fanless PCs usually have lower TDP than computer with fans. So fanless PCs always consume less energy and power in industrial production line, which save operating costs for the application operation. The third one is resistance of vibration. Industrial fanless PCs are more resistant to the vibration and shock by without the moving fans. The fourth is less noise and dust. Without a fan, the fanless PCs can operate more silently. Also, fans always attract dust. Fanless PCs can significantly reduce the risk of dust ingress. Tyson is a leading global provider and manufacturer of industrial panel PC, industrial display, and embedded PC products. All of our industrial panel PCs, rugged box PCs, and industrial monitors are fanless designed and manufactured for industrial sector applications. Their ruggedized construction, sealed housing enclosures, ensure the perfect performance in various of industrial projects.